Welcome back, everybody, to yet another deep dive. Today, we're talking about a revolutionary new tool in creative and technical education, the EON Creative Simulator. EON Reality just launched this incredible XR educational platform, and it's already making waves in industries like architecture, product development, and manufacturing.
Yeah, it's fascinating. Traditional learning methods often struggle to provide that real-world context and hands-on experience learners need. The EON Creative Simulator changes that by immersing users in realistic scenarios guided by interactive avatars.
Exactly. Imagine being an architecture student working on a sustainable headquarters design. You've got an avatar mentor guiding you, giving feedback on your choice of materials, and showing you how to integrate renewable energy systems, all in real time.
The instant visual feedback is a game changer. You make a decision, and boom, you see the impact right away. That's practical learning taken to the next level.
And it's not just architecture. The platform is also being used for health product design, manufacturing processes, and space-efficient design solutions. Plus, the dialogue-based feedback from avatars helps users think creatively and problem-solve like real professionals.
What's exciting is that educational institutions can use this tool to prepare students for real-world challenges. By providing realistic mission scenarios, the EON Creative Simulator is reshaping how creative and technical skills are taught.
Absolutely. And it's not just about learning the skills. It's about applying them effectively in real situations. This tool is setting a new standard for immersive education.
And I think it's only going to grow from here on out. EON Reality is definitely pushing boundaries with this one.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.